quick one this morning from Chef Ricardo. All right, so we're gonna be doing a healthy watermelon drink. So please tune in and just watch the video. And yeah, it's gonna be an easy one, guys. Very, very easy and simple this morning. So basically, I got some ginger, which I even prepped my ingredients to show you how I was moving fast. So I got some ginger. All right. So get yourself some ginger, and I'm telling you guys, it works 100%. All right, ginger, and then we got some watermelon. Just gonna cut up the watermelon straight inside of it, just like this. I prep up my watermelon and everything already to show you guys that I was even moving so fast to show you, because I said to myself, I don't want to keep the video too long. I just want to do the video very quickly. All right. Now I got a lemon, which I'm gonna be showing you. Is that you can use key lime, or also you can use lemon. All right. So this is gonna be a very, very quick video this morning from Chef Ricardo. So we just cut into half, chuck it straight inside of it. All right, and that's gonna be really lovely and nice. So basically, we got ginger, watermelon, and some lemon. All right, and to be honest, you don't need to add nothing to it. You're just gonna blend this naturally like this. All right, yeah, beautiful. Wow, that was quick. All right, so as you can see, as I said, it's a very, very quick one this morning from Chef Ricardo. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna run it through our strainer, just like this. And this is what you wanna do. And if you can do this every morning, trust me guys, you will get some result from it, 100%. So you just wanna run it through that strainer. Alright, you just want to run it through the strainer like this. Get rid of the fiber, this one. That is lovely. Alright? Yeah. That is fantastic and amazing. Look at that. Now, we got a little bit more. I'm gonna pour it straight inside of it like this. That's gonna come out lovely. That's it, guys. That was such a lovely one. All right, and this is it right here. And then what you want to do, pour it straight inside of that glass. If you can drink this every morning after you drink a nice lovely cup of lemon tea, or either lemon tea